Kaya Zulu, an extraordinary self-taught, multidisciplined creative, a producer, a vocalist, a multi-instrumentalist, a songwriter, a film producer, a graphic designer, and a website developer. Kaya Zulu is a KwaZulu-Natal native who began his music recording and producing career journey in 2004 at Eagle Anointing Studios, a gospel music recording studio.
Igama lami nguKyraw'S Zulu, Kyraw'S, ngizalelwe eLindelane. Then we moved to Uganda, ngasePine Town. I'm a songwriter, I'm a music performer, I'm a pianist, I'm also a film producer.
In the ensuing years that he developed and produced his own vocal collective called the Passport Gang, which gained immense popularity in the eThekwini area of Natal. Through his work and appetite to learn, develop, and share his musical artistry, Kaya has met and worked for and collaborated with amazing SA and international entertainment luminaries such as the legendary Eugene Bulo, known as Al Capone, an internationally respected Debonite music and entertainment genius. And they collaborated to produce Ama Groovies Begumnandi Ungeko, a kwaito outfit signed by TZZ Records. Mbuso Khoza, a modern pioneer in the genre of African jazz, Nduduzo Makhathini, a world-renowned jazz artist, KZN Ensemble, where he was part of the production, their initial offering as their music video producer. In 2008, Kaya set an incredible pace and standard for himself, producing music and music videos for various artists and organizations, including Touch Africa Music, All Kwaito Stars, Zwide Music, and Pastor Mjosti. He challenged and poured himself in 2011 into producing a local film called Ukondolo, where he also got the opportunity to begin exploring his acting talent by landing a doctor's scene in this film. In 2017, he finally directed and produced a film called Same Love, and won a Simon Mabunu Sabela Film and TV Awards award for this offering.
Girls never grow up. Have you told your parents?
We okay, Polani. Me and Polani are fine. We're fine. Yena ungikholwa sisi.
Polani, I'm phone Polani.
Ngibulalanga umuntu mina. Bengivikela wonke umuntu wesifazane.
Ngafuna undedela ndihambe.
After this, Kaya Zulu has gone on to work with many famous local and international artists within and outside of the South African borders through his music and film work. Just You Model Agency in 2018 signed on and managed Kaya, gaining Kaya 18 TV commercials for brands such as Mag & Bean, DSTV, Absa, Standard Bank, Status, Hyundai, KFC, and more. Within that year, Kaya produced Tiriso Williams' live music events and DVD recording, GFTV, Welcome Zulu, Yakani Mnyandu, Touchman Music. A highlight of his career was also performing at Gold Reef City for Kim Meyer, Tyler Perry's studio producer, and winning a World Performer medal. In 2019, Kaya decided to start building his own film and music production company named Brave Picture. He has and is still producing his own music.
We'll be making love till the sun comes out. Girl, she grew Dexter, Lisa could kept sweet. When I'm with you, my love. When we making love, my love. I enjoy your company. Well, I'm in a bed full of Dalibia. For all of those good times and bad times, still find a way to praise. For all of those good times and bad times, still find a way to celebrate. We gave it all, gave it all, gave it all.
Including a single called Brave Beats, Mhlabeni Wonke, and Iphupho.
I started music ngisasemncane kuma primary grade sacula isicathamiya. I learned piano where I then learned guitar. While I was busy learning these instruments, I realized ukuthi ngifunda kakhulu from my internal tones. I believe ukuthi it's the reason I ended up coming with this music I'm trying, which is something new. I call it Mirror Soul. From the concrete foundations zokukhula kwami, my whole story sokuzalwa kwami, it's the reason I came up with these because my internal tones, they were so emotional. I couldn't understand kahle. I started to collaborate namajita. I then learned more of myself. Ngaqala understand that this Mirror Soul.
Through Brave Picture, Kaya has concentrated his talents into also developing the sounds of young and upcoming artists and community development initiatives through his new relationship with SA Will Survive, a platform for addressing social issues and advocating for community-centric solutions. Kaya has recently released Best Friend features Touchman, Mo Fire, Piano Celebration, and Ali Pupe. He is also a self-taught upcoming entrepreneur who owns a line of affirmation doctics, which are meant to empower young men.
You are brave enough to dream. You are brave enough to work hard. You are brave enough to love. You are brave enough to work hard, to give and serve. You are brave enough to protect.
Ngikhumbula kudala 7 years ago, this young man uza kumina uthi ngibuya kufunda ukuthunga, now ngiqedile, so uthi ngiyacela ungisize ungidesignele. Thina siyi product yabazali ababuya kubazali or ababuya kwi-apartheid, yabo. Abazali bethu were always running, chasing in life, hustling for ukudla, ukuthi sikwazi ukudla, sikwazi ukugqoka siye esikoleni. Mina as a brother, I'm here to affirm him and say, bra, you are a man to dream, you are a man to protect, you are meant to give and serve, you are a man to work hard. That's amazing. What you just did, young mangaza from a local site is not long ago. You are teaching me quality of life. Actually, to see a young man for so many years, keep on doing it. Keep on doing it. That's being sensitive to your settings. And if you could be sensitive to your settings, you already won the half step. Ngiyayiqhenya ngalobhuti lona. Ngiyayiqhenya kakhulu.